Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to mute and unmute a message on iPhone. It is a fast and easy tutorial, so let's dive into it. iPhones offer a convenient way to silence specific conversations without completely deleting them. Here's how to mute and unmute message notifications. So open the Messages app on your iPhone. In the message list, you'll see all your recent conversations with contacts or groups. Locate the conversation you want to mute notifications for. Once you have located it, gently swipe left on the conversation you want to silence. Be mindful not to swipe all the way across the screen, as this will delete the conversation entirely. A red delete option might appear if you swipe too far, so do a light swipe. Once you swipe left, you'll see options appear next to the conversation. Look for the bell icon with a slash through it. This icon signifies that muting the conversation will prevent sound and the notification banners for new messages. Tap the bell icon with a slash to mute the conversation. You'll see the icon change to indicate muting is active. You've successfully muted the conversation. To unmute, swipe to the left slightly on the conversation. You will now see the unmute button. Just tap on it and the message will be unmuted. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.